A proverb about slaps and unexpected events. Ndewo. In this video, we're going to learn an Igbo proverb that has to do with slaps and unexpected events. Welcome back to Learn Igbo channel. My name is Yvonne, and over here we'll provide you with resources to learn Igbo language, Igbo history, Igbo culture, and Igbo heritage. So in this video, we're going to learn an Igbo proverb. And the 5 key words we'll learn from this video are Ora or Ola, slap. They mean the same thing, they're just dialectical differences. Ozigbo, sudden. Digi ezeta, unavoidable. Uke, trouble or mishap. Mberede, sudden, unexpected event or accident. Ready? Let's begin, Kaibido. The proverb goes this way. Ora amara ozugbo, adịghị ezeta ya ezeta. Ora amara ozugbo, adịghị ezeta ya ezeta. The sudden slap is unavoidable. Ora amara ozugbo, adịghị ezeta ya ezeta. Now, as we know, proverbs have different meanings depending on the context where you're using it. And one of the meanings for this proverb, or rather one of the explanations for this proverb is ọ na-ara ahụ ịgbanahụ uke bịara mmadụ na mberede. Ọ na-ara ahụ ịgbanahụ uke bịara mmadụ na mberede. Ọ na-ara ahụ ịgbanahụ uke bịara mmadụ na mberede. So it is difficult to run away from trouble or mishap that comes at someone unexpectedly. So when something happens to someone unexpectedly, you can hear an elder or someone say, Ora mara ozugbo, adịghị ezeta ya ezeta. The sudden slap is unavoidable. Ora amara ozugbo, adịghị ezeta ya ezeta. So assuming, for an example, you're driving down the road and then someone just comes from nowhere and hits you from the back. So that's, and you're trying to make an explanation to someone what just happened. You just say, Ora mara ozugbo, adịghị ezeta ya ezeta. So the sudden slap is unavoidable. You didn't even see it coming. So that's the meaning of this proverb and an example of when you can apply the proverb. Ora amara ozugbo, adịghị ezeta ya ezeta. The sudden slap is unavoidable. And the 5 key words we've learned from this lesson are Ora or Ola, slap. Ozugbo, sudden. Dịghị ezeta, unavoidable. Uke, trouble or mishap. Mberede, sudden, unexpected event or accident. That's it for today. Don't forget to click the like button and also check out our other videos on this channel to help you in your Igbo learning journey. Komesia.